This week on Makers Lab TV, a domestic fridge facelift, it's party time, and what's new in the warehouse.
So remember the freezers we did for Ice for Africa? Well, someone watched the video and called in and asked if we could do a domestic fridge wrap. And well, yes, I can do that.
Riley chose a highly contrasting color scheme for the design and proceeded with the printing. And for long-lasting extra protection, the prints were laminated. At am.co.za, we like to keep our warehouses full of new and old items, because that way we make sure that there is always available stock of machines and accessories and plenty of spare parts. So keep watching to find out what has just arrived.
Now that I got my new toy, I couldn't wait to play with it. And what better way to do some toaster glasses for a party, just to get it going.
The desktop laser comes packaged with its own rotary unit, perfect for engraving on spherical surfaces. Just a few adjustments and it's ready for use. Once all the panels were laminated and cut to size, Riley applied them to the fridge. Just a few final touch-ups and there you go, a cool looking facelift for an otherwise old and battered looking domestic fridge.
Looking at this fridge, it looks freaking cool, and I'm pretty sure the client will enjoy this.
The silk screen from am.co.za comes in a 4 or a 6 panel choice, both of which boast an unparalleled price on the market. And there is also a dedicated video on how to assemble it for yourself. Call sales for more information. The desktop laser also comes with its own software, which interfaces superbly with the laser.
Oh, that looks cool. Another 100 of these and we got ourselves a party going.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.